Don't we all know the pain of a wonderful customer with a massive media library that needs to be moved from his old website to the new website that you are about to create for them? Well, you don't have to leave your dashboard for that when you're using Greyd.Suite. It's very simple. Inside your hub, you go to the customer's old site to the More tab, and then you click Download for Media and Files. And then you go to your customer website, which could be in another server. Like, for example, I have here my demo website, and I'm just going to go there and go to the demo project to show you this. More, import media and files. Here we are. Open, import. Bam, done with Greyd.